So, you want to work much faster on your desktop? Keep watching. Hey everyone, I'm Yoshi from Tech Aspect, and in this video I'll be giving you a couple of cool shortcuts to make your life a lot easier. First, we have Windows plus M. This shortcut can be really useful if you have a lot of windows open and it's getting a bit clustered. It just minimises all your windows. Now, you may be wondering, it's going to take me a while to open up all my tabs again manually, which leads us to the second shortcut, Windows plus Shift plus M. This shortcut simply opens up all our tabs again. The next shortcut is Windows plus E. This opens up our file explorer with just 2 clicks. So, if you're trying to fit 2 windows onto your screen at the same time, this one's really useful. The Windows plus left or right arrow key fits these tabs onto one half of our screen. Next, we have Windows plus C, which opens up Cortana, although I personally prefer using the Hey Cortana command. Windows plus Shift plus S gives us the option to select part of our screen and select screenshot. Windows plus Tab lets you easily navigate between open windows and also shows your app history. And now, last but not least, Windows plus L. This shortcut lets you quickly log out of your desktop. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe down below for more of my content. I'll see you next week.